Hello, my name's Laura and I'm a project manager here at HiveMind, where our job is to connect you with the companies you love. Today, we have a new study for you all about your go-to natural and over-the-counter cough or cold remedies. We want to know your go-to brands and what steps you take as soon as you feel that dreaded tickle in your throat. This study will be a 2-day online diary kicking off June 29th and running through June 30th, where you will spend 1 hour each day answering questions about what you use to feel better when the germs have taken over. And as a thank you for your time, because we know your time is valuable, we will be offering you $175. So go ahead and complete the survey to see if you qualify. We look forward to hearing from you. Bye.